How mucus help us to keep us healthy? Your body creates more than a liter of mucus consistently. All the wet surfaces of your body that are not covered by skin like your eyes, nose, mouth, lungs, and stomach get a liberal covering. That is the reason they are known as the mucous membrane. Mucus plays a lot of roles in your body. It shields sensitive tissues from drying out and breaking, which would open them to infection. It greases up your eyes so you can flicker, and it shields your stomach lining from acid. It kills threats by moving or dropping substances that could make them stick. Lastly, it houses and keeps your body's trillions of beneficial bacterial occupants. Mucus contains loads of various mixes including proteins, fats, and salts. In any case, the vital segment of mucus adaptability is a bunch of proteins called mucins. Mucins are the essential enormous molecule in mucus and are basic for giving mucus a tricky vibe. They belong to a class of protein called glycoprotein, which is made up of both amino acids and sugar. In mucins, a long chain of sugars are connected to specific amino acids in the protein spine. The hydrophilic sugar chain causes mucin to disintegrate your body's watery liquids. The mucus, which is up to 90% water, stays hydrated because of this sugar chain. A portion of these mucins can connect with different mucins particles to make a complex network that can set up a barrier against microbes and different intruders. That is the reason mucus is the main line of guard against unfamiliar items like microscopic organisms and dust. Mucus is persistently delivered to clear them from the respiratory tract. This fends off microscopic organisms to taint a tissue or making it to the circulation system where they could cause a significant infection. Huge numbers of those unsafe microscopic organisms likewise caused infections, when they group into slimy growth called biofilms. However, mucus contains mucins, an antimicrobial peptide, antibodies, and even bacteria-hungry virus called bacteriophages. That all work together to forestall biofilms from forming. In the event that microorganisms do get destructive and you become ill, at that point the body runs up mucus creation to give rapidly flush a shot the offenders. What's more, the immune system floods your mucus with additional white platelets, WBC. Truth be told, the greenish bodily fluid regularly connected with infection gets its tone from compounds created by those white platelets. This multi-pronged way to deal with bacterial administration is one of the primary reasons why we are not wiped out constantly. Indeed, even the bodily fluid ensures against the irresistible microorganisms. By far most of your body's microscopic organisms are not destructive and many are valuable. That is especially obvious when they are lived in mucus, where they can perform significant capacities like blending nutrients, stifling hurtful irritation, and controlling the development of an unsafe species. Despite the fact that you are associating mucus with being sick, it's truly helping you remain sound.